Welcome back to our channel, the ultimate destination for coin enthusiasts and history buffs. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the story, design, and value of the 1999 French 10 euro cent coin. Over the next 25 minutes, we'll explore its unique symbolism, composition, collector value, and some fascinating trivia. Grab a seat and let's get started. Historical context. Before the euro became the official currency in 2002, France used the French franc. The 1999 French 10 euro cent coin represents the transition period when the euro was introduced as a non-cash currency. While banknotes and coins didn't enter circulation until 2002, coins like this one were minted early to prepare for the big change. The introduction of the euro was one of the most ambitious monetary projects in history, aiming to unify 12 countries under a single currency. France, being one of the founding members of the European Union, played a significant role in this historic moment. Design and symbolism. Let's take a closer look at the obverse side of this coin. The design features la semeuse, or the sower, a powerful symbol of the French Republic. She's depicted sowing seeds under the rays of the sun, representing growth, prosperity, and enlightenment. This design is deeply rooted in French history and was originally created by Oscar Rodi in the late 19th century for the French franc. Laurent Jorlot modernized it for the euro era while maintaining its timeless elegance. The letters RF stand for République Française, a nod to France's national identity. And, of course, the year 1999 marks its minting date, making this coin part of the first batch of euro coins ever produced. The reverse side features the standard 10 euro cent design used across all Eurozone countries. It showcases a map of Europe, symbolizing unity and cooperation among member states. Composition and technical detail. This coin is made from Nordic gold, a special alloy of copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin. Despite its name, there's no actual gold in it. It's named for its golden appearance and anti-corrosion properties. It weighs 4.1 grams, has a diameter of 19.75 millimeters, and a thickness of 1.93 millimeters. These details make it easy to distinguish among other euro coins in your pocket. Nordic gold is not only durable but also eco-friendly, making it a practical choice for mass-produced currency. Value and collectability. Now, let's talk about what everyone wants to know. How much is this coin worth? Its face value is, of course, 10 euro cents. But for collectors, the value depends on factors like condition, rarity, and minting errors. A heavily circulated coin is worth its face value, but an uncirculated coin or one in pristine condition could fetch between €1 and €5. While that might not sound like much, certain minting errors can significantly boost its value. Keep an eye out for unique errors. These can make your coin a rare find. If you come across one, it's worth getting it graded by a professional service. Tips for collectors. If you're looking to add this coin to your collection, here are a few tips. Check circulation coins. Always check your spare change. You might stumble upon a rare gem. Buy from reputable dealers. Ensure authenticity when purchasing coins online or at auctions. Preserve condition. Use coin holders or albums to prevent scratches and tarnishing. Collectors should also be aware of counterfeit coins, although they're rare for lower denominations like this one. Fun facts and trivia. Did you know? The 1999 French 10 euro cent coin was minted 3 years before the euro officially entered circulation. It's part of a historic transition that replaced centuries-old national currencies with a unified system. Another fun fact, Nordic gold, the material used for this coin, is also used in Olympic gold medals for its durability and shine. Closing thoughts. So, there you have it. The 1999 French 10 € coin is more than just pocket change. It's a piece of history, a work of art, and, for some, a valuable addition to their collection. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just getting started, this coin is a fascinating glimpse into the story of the euro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments if you found a rare coin or have questions about collecting. Until next time, happy collecting!